Okay, the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Arvind Kejriwal, sacked a Minister for Child Welfare and Social Justice yesterday. The Chief Minister has announced Sandeep Kumar's removal from the Delhi Cabinet on Twitter, saying that he is going to be sacking the minister, and he's also released a video message in the party's defense. Taking the moral high ground, Arvind Kejriwal said that he's ashamed of his minister Sandeep Kumar. Kejriwal also said that the Aam Aadmi Party is a party with integrity, and while other parties have been squabbling on taking action against their tainted leaders, the Aam Aadmi Party will never compromise with propriety.
उनको हमने तुरंत कैबिनेट से हटा दिया है, लेकिन ये देखने के बाद मुझे व्यक्तिगत तौर पे बहुत दुख हुआ। एक तरफ मुझे दुख है कि इस किस्म के लोग हमारे बीच में थे, लेकिन साथ में मुझे गर्व है कि हमने दूसरी पार्टियों की तरह उसके ऊपर पर्दा डालने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनकी गलत हरकतों पे पर्दा डालने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनको जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनको बचाने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जो हमारे क्षेत्र में आती थी, जो हमारे बस में थी। दुख तो बहुत है कि हमारे अंदर इस तरह की गंदी मछली है, लेकिन उसको तुरंत प्रभाव से बाहर निकाल फेंकना ये हमारा काम है, और इस बात का मुझे गर्व है। और मैं आज आप सब लोगों को इसी बात का वचन देता हूँ कि अगर इस किस्म की कोई भी हरकत हुई पार्टी के अंदर, कोई भी गलत हमारी नज़र में आया तो उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कल को अगर मैं गलत काम करूं तो मैं मनीष सिसोदिया को बोलता हूं कि मेरे खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करना, हमारी पार्टी को बोलता हूं सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करना, छोड़ना मत मेरे को। और कल को अगर कोई हमारा मनीष सिसोदिया भी करेगा गलत काम तो उसको भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
All right, so no one will be spared. That's the message coming in from the Chief Minister himself. The Aam Aadmi Party, as it firefights the sex CD storm, an all-out political war has broken out in the capital, with BJP workers gathering outside the Chief Minister's residence. They were seen staging massive protests against the Aam Aadmi Party government. The BJP claims that the Chief Minister had the CD for 15 days, but he failed to act against Sandeep Kumar. Members of the Swaraj Abhiyan also joined in the protest. The protesters were seen pushing through police barricades, and the police were forced to resort to water cannons as well.
कुछ तो शर्म करो, भीमराव अंबेडकर का नाम लेकर के कुछ तो शर्म होनी चाहिए। मुझे लगता है कि शर्म से पानी होना चाहिए। जो आप रंगे हाथों पकड़े गए हैं, आपके पास कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, सब और बेकार की बातें हैं।
तो पहले भी कई बार ऐसा देखने में मेरे को देखने को, मेरे पास ऐसे कुछ प्रूफ्स भी है, कुछ सबूत भी है, जिसके आधार पे मैं कह सकता हूँ कि महिलाओं का इन्होंने कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में कभी भी सम्मान नहीं किया। अभद्र गालियाँ जो अब्यूजिंग ये महिलाओं को करता था वो इतनी गंदी है कि मैं कैमरे के सामने बोल नहीं रहा।
Okay, India Today's Brijesh Pandey, in fact, is with us, and he covered those protests by the BJP outside the Chief Minister's residence. We saw rather apologetic and remorseful Arvind Kejriwal through his video message, Brijesh, explaining his side of the story, the party's defense, and also expressing immense disappointment. But this CD scandal has come at a terrible time for the party, who have been in the news for a lot of wrong reasons of late.
Well, absolutely. I think, their continuous run-in with the Lieutenant Governor is kind of literally varying on both the people of Delhi as well as their own MLAs. And, this particular sex CD has left them embarrassed to a greater degree, because, you had thought of Aam Aadmi Party MLAs being involved in corruption deals or various other scams, but them being involved in a sex scandal was definitely not on the top of the agenda of any of their political opponent. But, what the smart thing which Arvind Kejriwal has done is, in this particular message, he had tried to diffuse the tension by coming out as a party which he says that will not hesitate to take any action, and he has taken action against his cabinet minister without even waiting for the forensic approval or any kind of investigation done by the police. And simultaneously, he did not let go of this opportunity by attacking BJP as well as Congress by naming 3 to 4 chief ministers of BJP who he said that were involved in various scams, but despite their scams being in public domain, the party did not act. Same was the case with the Congress. So even in this apology, a seeming apology, he did not let go the chance of, stating a political one-upmanship as far as the Aam Aadmi Party.
Oh yes, absolutely. He very conveniently deflected blame onto other political parties as well. Brijesh, just stay with me. Let's just tell our viewers a little bit more about the sacked MLA belonging to the Aam Aadmi Party, Sandeep Kumar, who has now found himself in an midst of this explosive sex scandal. Now he chooses to brazen it out after this 11-minute video of Sandeep Kumar went viral. The Aam Aadmi Party sacked him. But now what the minister is saying in his defense is that this action was taken, that's because he was a Dalit and he feels that he's being targeted only because of he is a Dalit. He's very aggressive. He's called for a more thorough investigation, despite the footage clearly showing the sacked minister in a compromising position with two different women. And despite being ousted from the party, Sandeep now vows that he will prove his innocence and will continue to remain with the Aam Aadmi Party.
ये खामियाजा मुझे भुगतना पड़ा दलित होने का, ठीक है। मैं गरीब हूँ और दलितों में महादलित हूँ, वाल्मीकि समाज से हूँ और ये जब से प्रतिमा लगाई है, जब से लोगों की आंखों में चुभ रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है। और ये बिल्कुल जो है ना, मैं इसमें नहीं हूँ और बिल्कुल तथ्यहीन चीज है और ये जांच का विषय है।
उसमें आप नहीं है।
देखिए, मैंने अपना नैतिकता के आधार पर इस्तीफा दिया है और उसमें अगर आप लोग इस बात को घुमाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बिल्कुल गलत है। आम आदमी पार्टी का मैं पहले भी सिपाही था, आज भी सिपाही हूं और मेरी वजह से आम आदमी पार्टी पे कभी कोई कलंक नहीं लगेगा और मैं बिल्कुल ये इस बात को सिरे से नकारता हूं। ये बिल्कुल मेरे खिलाफ षड्यंत्र है, ये साजिश है और इसकी जो है ना जांच होनी चाहिए।
Okay, so that's the defense coming in from the sacked minister. But, Brijesh, coming back to you, the Chief Minister just released that video message through which he expressed his disappointment, his grief. He may be taking the high moral ground, but the fact remains that Sandeep Kumar becomes the third minister in the party to have been sacked in 18 months. Doesn't that pose, a big question mark on the party's credibility as well?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, if you look at the Arvind Kejriwal before he became the Delhi Chief Minister, one thing was very clear that he put a great deal of emphasis on the aspect of probity, and he would say that, that come what may, any single person who is your representative has to be above any kind of, suspicion or his indulging in any of these activities. Now, all of a sudden we are saying that, minister after minister of Arvind Kejriwal's government, and it has been hardly been a year of him being in the government, being involved in these kind of incidents. And not only this, there are various other MLAs who are in dock for various other reasons. So this has definitely put a question mark about the kind of politics which Arvind Kejriwal was espousing before he became the Chief Minister of Delhi. The politics of probity, the politics of openness, and how we are a completely different political party than any other political party. But as the day progresses, the sheer sheen has been dented considerably if you look at these 3 to 4 episodes. Avantika?
Absolutely, Brijesh. Thanks so much for joining us. And we, of course, will keep coming back to you for further reactions from the other parties like the BJP and the Congress, who will make most of this newfound controversy and pile on pressure on Arvind Kejriwal. But what exactly is in the sex CD that led to Sandeep Kumar's sacking? India Today, in fact, is in possession of this CD that shows the Aam Aadmi Party MLA in a compromising position. Let's take a look.
Aam Aadmi Party MLA from Delhi's Sultanpur Majra finds himself at the center of an explosive sex scandal. This 11-minute long video that is in possession of India Today shows Sandeep Kumar in a state of undress. Also in the frame is a woman. The two are in a small room and seem to engage in what appears to be some sort of a sexual act. This CD is now in the public domain and has led to the sacking of Sandeep Kumar from the Delhi cabinet. It's not just this video. There are also 11 still photographs that show the AAP MLA kissing another woman. Within hours of the CD being leaked, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal removed Sandeep Kumar, who was the Minister for Child Welfare and Social Justice. The sacking was done via Twitter, with Kejriwal declaring that he had received an objectionable CD, and since he and his party stood for propriety in public life, Sandeep Kumar had been removed from the Delhi cabinet.
करप्शन को लेके, किसी तरह के क्राइम को लेके, किसी तरह के कैरेक्टर को लेके कोई भी दाग आम आदमी पार्टी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती। इन उसूलों पर कायम है और आधा घंटे के अंदर मंत्री जी को हटाने का निर्णय ले लिया गया, उनको हटा दिया गया उनके पद से।
As the sex scandal explodes, sources within the AAP say that this video has been made by Sandeep Kumar himself and that it was a consensual act. Sources also say that the women in the video and the photographs were aware of the fact that they were being filmed. They also claim that these images were taken before Kumar got married and was made a minister. But while AAP extols its prompt action, the complainant in the case has added another twist in the tale.
अरविंद केजरीवाल को तो कॉपी दे के आया है या दिखा के आया है, मैंने तो ये सुना उसने दिखाया था। कितने दिन पहले की बात है ये? कोई 15-20 दिन पहले अगर उन्होंने देखी है, पहले कार्रवाई नहीं करी। ये लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के यहाँ से कार्रवाई चली है, हम उनको देखे आए। इसमें मुझे कोई मुख्यमंत्री बनना है क्या राजनीति लाभ मिलेगा मेरे लिए?
Sandeep Kumar is the third AAP minister to be removed. Last year, Kejriwal had sacked Asim Ahmed Khan over corruption cheers and Jitendra Singh Tomar too was dropped after he was accused of having a fake degree. With Ankit Tyagi in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's just tell you a little bit more about this minister belonging to the Aam Aadmi Party who has now faced the axe from being the youngest minister in Kejriwal's cabinet to now facing charges of adultery. Here's a detailed report on Aam Aadmi Party's latest tainted leader.
Believe it or not, this is the man whom Delhi had chosen to safeguard the rights of women and children of the city.
मैं संदीप कुमार।
He is the same man who took pride in touching his wife's feet.
कि जो विषय मंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा।
Aam Aadmi Party minister Sandeep Kumar, who boasted of his devotion towards his wife at a swearing-in ceremony, was found in a compromising position with another woman. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal received the sex tape earlier today, after which, as the party claims, he took instant action, sacking the tainted minister. So who is this scandalous minister? Elected as an MLA from Sultanpur Majra with astounding margin at a young age of just 34, he was made the Welfare Minister for Women and Children. After the 9-minute objectionable video, he was instantly sacked by the Aam Aadmi Party. Although the party seemed to have put up a transparent face, the incident once again raises question on Aam Aadmi Party's credibility. Bureau Report, India Today.